unicorn black is my favorite color. Part of all of my uniforms are blue, but except my shorts and my sports uniform.
What?
I like blue.
Yes. Ang ganda nitong bow na to, guys. Mura lang to. Nabili ko sa Shein. So, ito yung nilalagay ko sa kanya kapag ito yung uniform. Oh, iba na pala yung uniform nila. Short sleeve na kasi pang term 4 na uniform. Ayan, meron ding isa nito, mas maliit nga lang. Pero mas gusto ko to ganito kalaki. Ang cute. Tapos kapag sports day naman, or kapag naka-sports uniform siya, yung nilalagay ko is yung big scrunchie lang na parang ganito din yung material. So pretty, baby. Tingnan nyo ang ating Indy. Ang sarap ng tulog. Buyag-buyag, Inday. Look at my labahin, guys. Laba, dami. So, yan yung from taas, mga damit namin. And ito yung mga nasa baba. So, kapag naghubad yung mga kids dito, dito nilalagay. And mas madami siya today because I have sheets. Pinalitan ko yung sheets ng mga bata pag alis ng bisita natin. And mga towels din from our bisita. So, umalis sila ng Sunday. And yung last laundry ko kasi was Sabado. So, hindi to na-include ng Sabado. Tapos ko na ma-ready si Ayla. Nakabihis na siya at lahat. Inihintayin niya na lang yung daddy niya. And Indy's still sleeping. So, let's do our first load before magising si Inday.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder.
Pasayahin natin tong ating bibi. Medyo mainit. Eh? Sa dami ng injections niya kahapon. She's wearing long sleeve malam, but it's here. 2 here, 2 here, 1 here. Yeah? Mainit siya. So tabi to sa akin kagabi. Kasi she was not having it. Gising siya ng gising, no? 1, 2, 3. Drop! 1, 2. Aww. Look at ate.
Wait, Mum. When she holds it, she'll do pick me. Hold it.
Because... Bah! Bah!
Wait, Mum. Wait. Say. Indy.
Watch out, my coffee. She likes that. She likes it. There you go. Thank you, ate. Thank you, ate. Oh, good. She's happy now. Oh my gosh, yung nappy niya. Tingnan nyo. Nappy pants na nga yan. Hindi pa din naayos. Si daddy naglagay niya. Tingnan nyo, nasa gilid. Piskot eh. Tapos na? Tapos na magkalat, bibi ko? Ayun yung floor. Let me see. Oy! Bakit naman kumain yung tenga na yan? Well done? Is that D? Hold on. Wait. Okay. Alright. Yes. Wait. Let's wipe this. Oh, good job. More water? Yeah. up. Come on. Say bye to the guys. Say good night, guys. I wanna sleep. Say good night.
I want to private. I watch TV. I have my bum.
It is 10:54. Allah, guys. Ready na ang aking in-order. Kakalapag ko lang kay Indy. That's alright. I have to go habang mainit pa. Ito na lang yung ano ko, lunch ko. Kakalapag ko lang kay Indy. Ilipat ko na lang siya sa car, diba? Tapos matutulog lang din naman siya. Oh my gosh, malayo-layo to. Alright, Indy. Get some sleep. Ang layo pala ng drive, guys. 27 minutes. Nasaan na yung maps ko? Bakit nawala? So, nag-order ako kay Madam Jelly. Siya yung in-orderan ko ng bingka, guys. Ang sarap niya magbingka. Well, yun lang yung mag-isang na-try ko na ganong klaseng bingka dito sa Australia. And masarap talaga siya magbingka. So, nakita ko yung post niya. And hindi na ako umabot ng araw na yun. Tapos sinabi niya sa akin, yeah, I'm doing it again today. So, nag-message ako sa kanya kagabi. And nag-order ako ng bingka at saka yung mga iba pa niyang luto today. Buti na lang in-order ko yung iba kasi kung bingka lang, ang layo ng drive. Sabihin na lang natin 25 minutes, kahit 27. 50 minutes na agad driving lang. Hindi kasi siya nagde-deliver, so we have to pick it up. And kakapatulog ko lang talaga kay Indy. Buti na lang hindi siya nagreklamo nung kinuha ko siya. Nilipat ko lang siya sa car. Is she sleeping, Alo? Can you see or not really?
She's not sleeping.
She's not sleeping. That's okay. She might sleep later. Alo, don't. Can you not? Close it, please.
Why?
Because.
Why?
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, open a little bit. Just a little bit, not all the way down.
Now that's a little bit, Mama.
Yep. Let's open a little bit.
Yes.
Oh, good job, guys. Good listening to Mama. Ganito lang talaga yung open.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little
Tiny
bit.
bit.
Just a tiny bit. That's enough. That's enough. Oh!
Is that tiny bit?
Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, don't touch it now.
A tiny son is tiny now.
Yeah, tiny. Just tiny, son. That's all we need. Do you wanna sing, Alo?
Fly away, chuckle.
Yung Far Away, Chuck It Over, yan yung Your Love ng The Outfield. Yung Josie's on a vacation far away. So yung tinatitle niya is Far Away. Alright, we'll sing that one.
Away, chuckle.
Play Your Love by The Outfield.
That's this one.
No, not this one. We'll check.
Gotta show you that it's nothing.
Can we listen to this one
But
first?
you never saw it coming, none of it. Then I put you now.
Dito na ako sa labas, guys. Ite-text ko lang yan siya. Na nasa labas na ako. It's okay, babe. We're moving. Alo, do you wanna move in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, move in the middle, babe. And put in this dummy. It's okay. We're moving. Thank you, Dad. Naapoy duha ka buo. Nao. Awa.
Pila ka magbarat bata day.
No.
Duha?
Oh. Kinamanguran.
Good job. Tulo? Tulo na. Arman, ikaw na ida dito. So far, buwan na siya, reception or hindi?
Kani, papurin ako an.
Ako meron gato para gato pa o. Makakita ko siyang brad gato pa magpulo. Imus, no? O, gali, wala ko pati ali.
You need to find me? Alright, wait. Wait, I'll stop right here. I'll stop right here. Okay, wait. Are you serious? Okay, wait. Okay. I'll stop now.
I want to walk my dog's toy.
Okay. Do you want to move here then?
Yeah.
Do you want to move here? So you can open the window?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, the wall started moving.
What? Like that? So cool! Alright. Okay, baby, we're going. Hi, guys. Life of a mom. Wait, saan na tayo? Uwi na tayo. Ayun.
Mama, drive so fast.
You want me to drive so fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a little bit tight.
Just a little bit fast?
Yeah.
Okay. Really fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta be safe though. You gotta stop when it's stop sign. You ready to go fast?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, it's 40 here. Guys, ang init pa ng mga luto ni Madam. Parang gusto ko nang pumapak ng bingka.
And I like eating that.
Oh my gosh, may turon guys. Nasa ilalim ang bingka, hindi ko makuha. But we have 16 minutes left of driving. I-leave ko yung Facebook link niya sa baba. Ayaw ni Indy nagsustop. Kung gusto nyo, nagpo-post lang siya. O minsan nga hindi siya nagpo-post. So tanungin nyo na lang siya kung kailan yung next niyang luto. Kasi nag-order lang talaga yung mga tao sa kanya. Tapos nagluluto siya. Hindi siya nagpo-post na magluluto ako, ganyan. Kapag may order lang, saka siya nagluluto. So, did that make sense? Ano ba yung kwento ko? Let's play music.
Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Now it's time to turn the corner. Hurry.
Guys, ito yung turon. Pakita ko sa inyo kasi gusto ko na kumain. Pagdating namin ng bahay, diretso ko binhisan. Tapos sinabi ko. Hala. Hi guys! You're waving to the guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung iba mamaya. But, gusto ko lang sumubok. Kasi wala pang kain si Mami. Wait, sabi. Na ba? Good job. Banana. Lami. It was a good bite. Good bite. Guys, ito talaga ang pinakamasarap na bibingka. Hindi ko alam kung ganito same sa inyo, but sa Cebu, ganito yung bingka namin. And ang sarap nito. Kain tayo, guys. Nakakain ako ng isang turon. Gusto kong kumain ng bingka. And alam nyo ba, nagluto ako ng rice kasi ang init ng kanyang mga ulam. Gusto ko rin kumain ng ulam. Does D wanna eat this? This is really good. Parang dinagdagan to ni Madam. Kasi ilan ba yung in-order ko? 5 nga talaga. Hindi, tama pala. Nag-order ako 5 bingka. Kala ko 3 lang. 3 turon, 5 bingka. Tama pala. Thank you, Dam. Do you wanna try? This is really good. Wanna try? Ito, kain lang ng kain din. Yum? Hindi na ito mainit, pero yung ulam mainit. Pero pwede mo ito initin. You like? Sabi niya, ako pa ba, Mi? Siyempre, like ko yung lahat, Mi. Di ba, Bi? So, sa mga Bisaya dyan, kung naghahanap kayo ng ganito, contact nyo si Madam. Kasi masarap siya magbingka. Yum, yum. Good eating. Yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum. Sana ganito ka palang de. Pag uwi natin ng Pinas, ang sarap mo pakainin. Pinutol ko talaga yung tulog nito para lang ma-pick up tong mga pagkain na to. Di ba, Bi? Alright, guys. My gosh, ang bango ng pinakbet. Bi, naghihintay na siya. Kain na kami. So, chicken adobo by Madam Jelly. And pinakbet. Ang bango ng pinakbet. Fresh rice. Apakainit pa. Kain. Si Arlo tulog pa din. I know. Wait. I'll give you some. Wow. Wait. Hot. It's hot. You gotta wait. Ready? Yum! Thank you, Dam.
Daddy!
Sarap ng pinakbit. Ito yung gusto ko masarsa. Wait. Mainit kasi, Bi. Good? In fairness, lamig po adobo ni Madam. Uy, lamig, Dam. Bigay-bigay ka adobo ka lamig. I love you. Kiss. Mwah. 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 D. Kiss D. Yeah. Good job, D. Ate just got home from school.
And I got this.
And she's sharing it with Arlo. Where did you get this? From the petrol station?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I got the two lollipop. But that's a toy song. Pink song. It's like strawberry.
Ah, it's sour. It says it's sour. Okay.
I love it.
She's sharing with Arlo as well. Good job.
And Daddy, you drink as well.
Ooh, and Daddy got Arlo an icy drink. Lucky kids.
It's really nice.
May dinaanan to sila ni
Try,
Daddy eh.
try.
Nah, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Welcome.
Dumaan sila sa
Baby, I'll drink yours.
bike shop. Pinilian siya ng bike kasi nasira yung bike niya, diba? So, yun yung regalo namin sa
I
kanya.
put it here.
Huh?
Put it there. So
Oh, you don't like it?
yeah. I can eat it.
Oh, it smells good actually. I'll just put it here on the bench, ate. Alright guys, nasa kusina ako. Agoy, yun na nga. Hello baby. Clingy ang baby ko today. Very clingy. So, ang hirap gumalaw. Come here. Come to me. Kanina ko pa siya dinidistract. Nakauwi na si Dan, kaya lang busy. Nasa labas. So, hindi siya makatulong kay Indy. Anyway, chicken wings ang ulam ng mga bata. Kay Dan is ito. Yung parang Max's-style restaurant na chicken. So, na-boil ko na ito noon. Nilagay ko lang siya sa freezer. Kasi maramihan yung pag-boil ko. Like yung chicken wings. Binoil ko na lahat ng chicken wings na meron ako. Pero konti lang yung lulutuin ko tonight. Kasi para lang sa dinner ng kids at saka lunch ni Ayla bukas. Lunch ni Ayla at saka ni Arlo. So air fry ako ng enough for their dinner tonight and for their lunch tomorrow. Yeah, so ito ipa-fry ko sa oil. Tapos yun i-air fry ko. I have veggies here na isi-steam ko lang. And yung sauce nito ano lang naman, ketchup at saka, or actually depende kay Dan kung anong sauce gusto niya. And then sa chicken, parmesan sauce ang gusto ng mga bata. So, yun yung gagawin kayo na nandito na si Daddy. Pumasok siya kanina. Kaya lang kailangan niya na naman lumabas. Ako guys, busog na busog ako. It's 5:32 and okay lang ako so far ha. Feeling ko hindi ako magdi-dinner. Siguro kain lang ako ng turon kasi hindi na yan bukas. Okay. So kainin ko siguro yung turon and yan na yun. Busog na ako. I need to cook.
What do you want done? She's tired?
I don't know if she's tired. She's just very clingy today. She's not quite well yet. So heater?
No.
Oh. Yeah, go to Daddy then.
Hello.
So with your chicken, what sauce do you like with it? We have the sweet and sour or sweet chili sauce.
That's fine.
Do you want that or do you want the
That's fine.
ketchup with soy sauce?
Either, either.
I'll do both.
It's hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, because you're from outside.
28 degrees outside.
Yeah.
Part of me wants you to see. A part of me hopes that you won't. Look in the mirror to find me. You're crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice. Gone before you ever know.
Ayan na yung dinner ni Danny Boy. Chicken, veggies, sweet chili sauce, and ketchup na may liquid seasoning.
Trying to think of something clever, or just any word, but there's a lot.